Can't get enough of the classic beef wrap? We've got you covered! Basically, shawarma has been our favorite go-to snack for almost 5 years while in Middle East. Try this shawarma rice recipe that's sure to give a delicious twist to your traditional shawarma. Kaya kung nag-iisip ka ng business na pwedeng ipa-franchise, try this one! Perfect for a quick lunch or baon to the office. Hindi lang basta masarap, mabubusog ka pa. Let's get started! So first, let's toast the sesame seeds as the flavor is far superior this way. But if you plan to toast the seeds, we recommend doing so on the stovetop and not in the oven. When the sesame seeds have cooled, we throw them into the bowl of our food processor. Shut the lid, then process until a crumbly paste begins to form. Next, we'll add oil and process into a smooth cream. Next, we're going to add garlic and lemon juice to the bowl. Then let's also add mayonnaise and just whisk until the mixture is thoroughly blended. Then just add water 2 tablespoons at a time, whisking after each addition until smooth. Then let's set it aside. Now guys, in a hot pan, put ground meat until it turns brown. Then let's add garlic and saute until the garlic turns translucent. Then let's put some oyster sauce and cook for a minute. Now we can put the butter, or you can also use margarine. Then let's add the brown sugar, and you can also add soy sauce just to add color to our meat. Then adjust the taste using salt and pepper and set aside. Now for our simple and easy Java rice, just add oil in a hot wok. Saute garlic until lightly brown. Then just add our cooked rice and put some turmeric powder, depends on the color that you desire. Then mix the rice nicely and properly. Now it's time for plating! Siguradong patok ang business na to. Lalo at mahilig ang mga Pinoy sa shawarma at sa rice. Hopefully, you can start your business using this recipe. Let us know what you think on the comments down below. And thanks for watching! Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button. Bye!